It all begins with an idea. Our team of engineers and designers work tirelessly to conceptualize the perfect ultrasonic cleaning machine, utilizing the latest CAD software to bring their ideas to life. Here in our state-of-the-art design studio, our experts transform concepts into detailed CAD drawings. These drawings serve as the blueprint for our machines, ensuring every component is meticulously planned and optimized for performance. Once the designs are finalized, it's time to bring them to life. At Hisashi Industries, we pride ourselves on our in-house fabrication capabilities. Our skilled craftsmen utilize precision tools and machinery to fabricate each component with the utmost accuracy. But the heart of our ultrasonic cleaning machines lies in our electronics room. Here, our team of electrical engineers install cutting-edge electronic components, meticulously wiring and testing each unit to ensure optimal performance. And there you have it, from concept to finished product, Hisashi Industries' ultrasonic cleaning machines are a testament to our commitment to innovation and excellence. Experience the difference with Hisashi Industries, where precision meets perfection. Contact us today to learn more about our ultrasonic cleaning machines and discover how Hisashi Industries can elevate your cleaning process to the next level.